Hello guys, Tesla holiday update is going out to both HW3 and HW4 vehicle via software update number 2024.44.25.2. This software update also merged with other software update numbers such as 2024.44.3.1 and so far. Many more appear in 1 week. Public release is also expected in next week. Some release notes are Tesla app on Apple Watch, save Dashcam and Sentry Mode clips to phone, auto shift between drive and reverse, search along route with estimated detour time, red cross traffic alert, custom wrap and license plate customization and many more.